It's a real nice unit. In this episode, my truck won't start. Listen to the starter. Well, here she is, boys. That's a big kahuna. Gonna try and remove it, take it to the repair shop, see if we can repair it. Ah, fuck. Okay, boys, we got it. Here she is. Let's take it to the repair shop, see if it even can be repaired. Alright, boys, we got the starter back. This is the old parts. Let me show you what actually happened. You see, salt, arced, and almost burnt up. That's because this brush holder came loose in this end. Look at the screws, they're not in really great condition. So it damaged the cap, arcing really hard in there, damaging the cap, and couldn't get any ground and power to start the car. So that's what happened. But since we got it removed, we went ahead and rebuilt the whole thing. New bearings, greased, cleaned, new solenoids, new brush, new cap. It's a real nice unit. I can't wait to hear it, how it's gonna react and start the truck. Let's go. Let's put it under the truck and see how it starts. Alright, boys, I think we got it in. Here she is. What a beauty. Okay, I can't wait to hear this. I got the 2 batteries charged. I'm gonna put them in the truck and start it up. Well, there you have it, boys. A stock OEM rebuilt starter is just as fine as a really high torque starter. Let's say if you live down there in the cold and you need extra cranking power, you go do you and you buy a high torque starter. But if you're like me, you live on a tropical island, it's normally warm. What you guys think? Do you really benefit from a high torque starter, or is a good OEM OBS starter good enough? Let's try it one more time. This is the 3rd time starting it. Normally I don't turn off and start my 7.3 this much, but you know, for starting purposes and testing for the video, let's go. Whoa, man, that sounds freaking great. I love it. This truck never started so fast. So I'm gonna let it idle, get the operating temp, shut it down, and take a cruise this afternoon. But in the meantime, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe and stay tuned. Peace, boys. Be safe.